Today I am reviewing the Netflix licensed projector and native 1080p smart mini projector. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're searching for a compact, powerful projector that delivers a true cinematic experience at home or outdoors, the VOPLLS Netflix licensed smart mini projector is a game changer. With its ultra-slim 1.81-inch design, native 1080p resolution, and smart features like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and autofocus, this projector brings movies, shows, and games to life in a way few portable projectors can. Let's start with the Netflix license feature, which is a standout in this category. Unlike many mini projectors that require extra devices or subscriptions, this VOPLLS model comes with pre-installed Netflix, YouTube, and Prime Video apps, giving you instant access to hundreds of thousands of titles. It's officially licensed by Netflix, which means your favorite content is secure, regularly updated, and optimized for high-definition viewing. Coupled with 4K HDR support, it's perfect for streaming movies and TV shows with crisp, vivid visuals and deep cinematic colors. The design and portability are equally impressive. This is one of the thinnest projectors on the market at just 1.81 inches, making it extremely easy to carry. It fits neatly into a bag like a premium hardcover book, so you can take it to a friend's house, a backyard movie night, or even on a trip. Despite its compact size, it feels premium, and the minimalist black design adds a touch of elegance to any setup, whether it's your living room, bedroom, or office. One of the biggest pain points with projectors is setup, and that's where the VOPLLS Smart Mini Projector truly shines. It features automatic fast focus and 6D all-around Keystone Correction, meaning it takes only about 5 seconds from power on to a perfectly aligned image. No more fiddling with dials or adjusting angles manually. The built-in high-sensitivity gyroscope and smart sensors detect environmental changes and optimize your image in real time. Whether you're watching an intense action movie or playing fast-paced games, the picture remains sharp and stable. Speaking of the picture, the native FHD 1080p resolution delivers vivid colors, deep blacks, and stunning contrast, ensuring every frame is rich and immersive. It even supports 4K playback, giving you incredible visual clarity for movies, TV shows, or gaming. And with a certified 320 ANSI lumens brightness, you get true, honest brightness that works well in dark rooms, living spaces, or even outdoor nights. This isn't marketing fluff. VOPLLS tests every projector with a rigorous 9-point measurement system to ensure consistent, reliable brightness. The projector also comes with a 360 degrees tool-free adjustable bracket, letting you project onto the ceiling, walls, or anywhere you like. It's easy to assemble and disassemble, protects your lens from dust or impacts, and offers flexibility for different viewing angles. Connectivity is another strong point. The VOPLLS mini projector supports Wi-Fi 6 for fast, stable streaming and Bluetooth 5.2 for seamless audio syncing, so you can pair it with wireless speakers or headphones. This makes it perfect for creating a true home theater experience without the clutter of wires. Just note that Bluetooth is for audio only. Video is streamed via Wi-Fi or the built-in apps. In short, the VOPLLS Netflix licensed smart mini projector combines portability, style, and cutting-edge features into one sleek device. It's perfect for home movie nights, outdoor parties, gaming, or presentations, offering fast setup, crystal-clear visuals, immersive sound, and direct access to Netflix and other streaming platforms. If you want a cinema-quality experience from a device that fits in your hand, this is one of the most impressive mini projectors on the market today. Whether you're a movie enthusiast, gamer, or someone who loves streaming shows on the go, the VOPLLS mini projector makes every viewing experience bigger, brighter, and better. It's more than just a projector. It's your portable home theater in the palm of your hand.